cleans to, get them slightly right.
If you watched last week's episode, this room and us look like we've gone down the Gibb River Road or the Great Central Road. It was orange.
Yeah, and if you are a regular to the channel, you know we love the red dust, but not in our house.
Not inside. Not inside. No.
Yeah, it was bad.
That was brutal. But, bonus, on a positive note, we've now got wooden floors.
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Love it.
It's not 100% finished yet. They're still going to do trimming around the edges, but it's through the entire house. The kids' bedrooms are 100% finished, so that's my job today, to try and get their bedrooms sorted out. Their beds and stuff are in the garage, which hasn't really been opened since we moved in, so I don't even know if I'm going to be able to locate all the nuts and the bolts and the bits and the bobs. So, goal for today is to get their bedroom set up. So at least we've got 2 bedrooms in the house that are finished.
Yeah.
And we're so fed up with renovating. Miranda's going away for the weekend.
Yes. Leaving in about an hour. Catherine and I are going to Albany for a bit of a birthday weekend.
Watch out, Albany.
Getaway, so
Yeah.
But it'll be nice
That'll
and
be good.
relaxing.
Enjoy yourself.
Yeah, so
And
it will be a good reset before we start unpacking the house.
That's going to be a nightmare.
Yeah.
Welcome to another episode, by the way. I don't think I said anything. No, it's just kind of got straight into it. Me and Cam are probably going to go mountain biking tomorrow at, what is it called? Tower Hill? Mount Barker Tower Hill. They've got new mountain bike tracks, which we're going to go and check out tomorrow. So
Yeah, there is a proper name. I'll put up some information because they look really cool.
Yeah.
So if you're into mountain bike riding and you're coming down into the Great Southern region, maybe check it out.
yeah, pop into the bakery while you're there too.
Yeah.
This episode, any idea? We're still finishing off the bathrooms and the laundries. This will probably be the last sort of little renovating video, and then I reckon our next episode, which will be a month, or 2 weeks from this one, a month from right this point of filming, will be our final renovations completion video walkthrough. Inside only, because outside's it's a long process.
We'll have a break.
We will have a break and get back to doing a little bit of travelling, I think.
Yeah, and then the weather will cool down and it'll be nice if we're working outside anyway, so.
True.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
Right, let's go. Do you want to come and run through the bathroom at all, or are you being interrupted from what you like doing?
Come on.
Right. Why don't you walk over these nice new wooden floors?
Did you show me the study?
It's going to be the study in there.
So the bathroom, what we've got to get done here, all the wall tiling is now done. We had originally planned on taking it all the way to the ceiling, but because the walls are so out, had we done that, it would have stuck a fair way bit over where the cornice is.
Okay, that's why I stopped there.
Yeah, so we've decided to just run it to there. We'll fix up, patch everything up, and then I'll just paint it white. So it should still look nice. It will look nicer than having that big gap at the top. Ceiling needs to be fixed. I think Nick, if he's got time, or it might be a later job, is going to change that skylight for us, so we've got some natural light in there. The electrician's coming in on Friday. I've got now the tiling's done, I can organise for the glass shower screen people to come and measure up for the showers. All the hardware in the shower should go on shortly. Cabinets are going in shortly, but won't be fixed into place until the electrical work's done, so they'll just run in an L shape, stopping about there.
Yeah, the reason we haven't got the cabinets in yet is because this isn't like a double brick house, there's no cavity. So to get the additional power points we want, we need to come through the bottom there. Because there's actually...
I think it's about here, isn't it?
Well, there's actually an electrical cable just under here. Somewhere there.
Yeah.
So they'll probably tie into that, and then we'll probably have one power point over near Miranda's elbow somewhere there, and another power point here somewhere for his and hers sinks.
Yeah, so it's getting there. It's Yeah, grouting's going to be done next week.
Yeah, still a work in
like
process.
Yeah, but yeah, no, it's all coming together really well. And then the laundry is pretty well getting there now too.
Yeah. I'll head into the laundry. I'm going to flick this light on, which is going to flicker a fair bit. On the camera at least, anyway.
Yeah, so obviously some just finishing touches around, painting, same within the bathroom. But all the major sort of stuff has been done. Oh yeah, and a frame is going to be put in there as well. And then the barn door will be hung and come that way. So that will be nice and that will just finish that off. But yeah, not too much more to do in here actually. It's just little fiddly bits now left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You happy with your grout choice?
Yeah, I love it. I think it's come up really nice. And I'm going to get a nice mirror for here and it will be beautiful. Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh, and if you're wondering, we got a hose running to the hot tap through the house over the brand new wooden floor, because that's how we have our warm bath, because we still don't have a shower.
No. It should be good soon.
No, it's all good.
Yeah, so
all
it's
coming together. Yeah,
so all
so
the major stuff's been done now, hasn't it? It's now all those finishing touches.
Yeah, finishing touches. Yeah,
that need to come together.
So, right, well, you better get back to scrubbing the red dust.
Yeah.
And I've got 2 bedrooms to build.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, Jesus. Christ. Where do you start? Oh. I need a coffee. Sorry, Bill Wheels. If only I could be like you, eh? And lie down all weekend. You know. The life of an indoor cat, eh? If you're not happy. Go on, skedaddle. You on the tools or are you on the girls' weekend?
My ride is on its way. So I'm about to be on the way.
Yeah. Righto. Well, I'll get the kids' room set up and you enjoy yourself. Happy birthday.
I was going to say, it is my birthday weekend and I've been working hard on the renovations. Surely I could be let out of jail for one night.
Enjoy yourself.
We will. See ya.
See ya.
Right here, you have to shower, ain't that done yet? Bye.
Love you. Look after each other. Don't get too crazy. I've already called the coppers in Albany to give you.
It's alright, Steve's already pre-warned them.
Is that, has he?
Yeah. Right, start the car, Catherine, let's go!
Start the engine!
Renovations be gone! Let's go!
Oh, good lord. Miranda just sent me a photo. She'll pop it up on screen. One sec. So you can play that game. Cheers. Building with beers. Does it get any better? morning everyone. So it's probably close to a week since I turned off the cameras when I was setting up the kids' bedrooms. Miranda had an awesome birthday weekend away with Catherine. She had a great old time. I think her head might have been a little bit foggy on Sunday when she got home, but we got straight back into full-time work, so we haven't really turned the cameras on since then. And we've had a little bit of a hold up with the bathroom fit out. We're waiting on the Sparky to come back. He turned up yesterday and he's run a few extra GPOs and sorting out where all the light fixtures and that are going to go. That all needs to be done before the cabinetry is put into place and sinks installed and all that sort of stuff. On another note, we had a massive storm front come through on Thursday night. Our little rain gauge had 120 mil in 6 hours, and I actually had to reset it at one point because it lost connection to the station. So we probably got conservatively about 130 mil in 6 hours. Man, there was so much rain. The dam is full. I wish I'd gone out and had a look, because we had a lot of not flooding, but a lot of water running along the paddock and flowing into the culvert drains into the dam. So that dam was really low, and now it's pretty much full to the brim. That would have been an awesome sight to see. You can see where all the water has been running in the paddock, and the chickens were saturated. Hey, it was so funny because Jacqueline's little chook Snowflake that she got for her birthday, she's a silky, so she's really fluffy. She has like this white afro, but when she's wet, it looks like she's been struck by lightning. Oh, and the poor alpacas, hey, they were just sitting in the middle of the paddock just getting drowned. They don't seek shelter for whatever reason, but they looked miserable, and Miranda was really devastated. She's like, oh, my boys, they're all wet out in the middle of the paddock. Yeah, but yeah, we had so much rain. We had a little bit of rain, a little bit of leaking in the house, nothing major. We had some rain dribble down one of the flues for one of the log fires. I don't think that's a major issue. I just need to get up and find out where that water came from. There's a skylight in the bathroom that was leaking, which we're replacing that skylight anyway, so that's not a huge drama. And the window in mine and Miranda's bedroom, which needs renovating anyway, that just needs some new weather seals. We had a little bit of water come in there, but nothing as bad as the property that I'm going to now. One of our friends in the local area, they got a massive property and there's a creek that runs through, and they basically had a raging torrent. The creek burst its banks, all the debris from the paddocks and within the creek just flowed down and smashed over a bunch of their fences, and they've got I can't remember, so it's over 1,000 sheep on their property in different paddocks and stuff. So I'm headed over there now to try and help, clear some of that debris and get the fences in some sort of functional order, I suppose. So that's what I'm doing today. So not much renos around the house, just a little bit of an update, I suppose. Miranda's at home, she's painting the front door, the new front door. And yeah, I don't really think there's much more to talk about, to be honest. Yeah, things are ticking along slowly. Still living in a construction site. We're almost there. Actually, this is going to be a nice little break, to be honest. Going and helping a friend instead of constantly working on a home that feels like it's taken forever. But hey, that's what renos are all about. We know what we're up for. So I'll see you next time I turn the cameras on. Oh, this road's a bit slippy.